How to get a Taurus man back? It is one of the hardest questions that a lot of girls face after a breakup with this zodiac sign. And it's clear, because if a Taurus man loses his interest in a relationship, it will be very difficult to you to make him come back. But in this video, I want to give you some helpful tips on how to get a Taurus man back in love. Stay tuned and watch this video through the end. By the way, if you are new here, click on the notification bell in order not to miss more interesting videos later. You will always find a lot of answers on your curious questions here. In comparison with other zodiac signs, Taurus man is quite disobedient and stubborn personality. If he says something he wants, it will be complicated to convince him to change his opinion, especially in the relationships with young girls and older women. In order to make your relationships interesting and long-lasting, you have to put a lot of efforts to see a real success. By that I mean it is always necessary to stay unpredictable and unapproachable girl when you have a deal with a Taurus man. Because in most cases, when you reveal him your character, he will suddenly leave you. Besides that, a Taurus guy won't give you any explanation what was wrong. He will rather tell you to stay good friends after having spent a night together with you. That's why many girls consider this zodiac sign as a womanizer who needs a woman for one night stand only. But that's not true. Taurus is a sign who just has another approach to the relationships than other men. He is used to be passive. He likes when a woman makes a first step to him. But if you can wait playing a game and flirting with him, it gives him a big challenge to start seducing you, what is actually not typical to him. And it also works in the same way after a breakup. If there is no passion between you and you can't give him new emotions or make him jealous to another guy, he will definitely never come back to you. So the secret formula on the way of keeping a Taurus guy attracted to you is to provoke him to play a game. I mean, you have to be flirty and womanly in order not to destroy your couple fast. But if you are lucky to make him fall in love with you, you will see how different personality he can be. Literally, he won't give you a time to take a breath, presenting you the flowers, calling you 3 times a day and chasing you wherever you go. When a Taurus is in love, it looks like a romantic movie where you are the main actors on the stage. He tends to be strong physically and psychologically, but he is also a vulnerable and sensitive guy who always hides his emotions from other people. But when he loves a girl, his love is pure, real and just crazy. Because he is capable of doing the extraordinary deeds in order not to lose you. Taurus is one of the most romantic horoscope signs. He's not a Scorpio whom you can have the hot scandals almost every day with. He's not Aries who can promise you everything in order to make you get married with him. No, Taurus is always silent and sometimes dull, pessimistic personality.